Hey, 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 it's Sean Vaughn, and you are tuned in to My 40 Plus Life DIY style, baby. And I am continuing my Christmas DIY gift series, and this is day 3. And today I have another super easy project for you, and I mean it is easy. I'm going to show you how to take this simple white towel from blah to kapow, baby. You excited? Yeah, me too. So let's jump on in. And oh yeah, don't you forget, the best gift you can give me this Christmas season is your like, comment, and subscribe. Let's jump on into this thing. Okay, what you will need is a ceramic towel, and I picked these up at Home Depot. They are literally 8 cents each. Very, very cheap. You're going to need you some permanent markers. I picked these up from Walmart in all colors. You're going to need some isopropyl alcohol. Now, I prefer the 91% because it burns a little bit better. So try to find that 91%. You'll also need an eyedropper or a dropper, a water bottle. That's not really necessary, but I like to add a little extra to my stuff. You're going to need a lighter, and I have this long lighter here. You're going to want some foil paper or a cookie sheet or something. Okay, to start off, you just get your towel and your markers and decide on which colors you're going to use. I literally cannot choose. Okay, so I'll just go with this cute teal color and this yellow. And I did throw in a pink color too. And this is really easy, y'all. All you have to do is just color on your tile. Color in any direction. It can be scribbles, it can be circles, it could be squiggly lines, it could be a whole drawing. Just get to coloring on your tile and make sure you use all of your colors. That is going to help bring out that marbled look that we're looking for. And sometimes it's not really a marble look, it's just a different kind of look that makes these coasters really look cool, because this is what we're going to do, make some marble coasters for gifts. Okay, once you have that color on there, then you're going to go and grab your alcohol. Make sure, again, you try to find that 91% alcohol. I went and got me a little cup so I can pour that alcohol in the cup. And then you're going to get your dropper. And now you're just going to drop that alcohol all over your towel. I don't care how you drop it. You can put a big blob. You can put little dots here and there. Just get that alcohol onto that towel. Now, once you have that alcohol spread out on your towel the way that you want it to be spread out, then what you're going to need to do is get your foil paper or the sheet pan that you're going to use and put your towel on top of that, because now we're going to get ready to light this thing. Now, if you are doing this with kids, make sure that this is something that the kids do not do. There must always be adult supervision. I went ahead and I lit all of my little circles in the different areas, and once it lights, it is drying the marker or the alcohol to the towel to help create a very nice look. Now, I like to be a little extra, so I took my spray bottle and I sprayed some more alcohol onto it, and then I dropped some more alcohol onto my drops, and I set that thing on fire again because I really wanted those colors to mix together well. And you'll see once it burns off, it gives a very nice look. Now tell me that's not cute, y'all. It is so cute. I love it. And I like to go around and just kind of dry some of the areas that I see are still a little wet. And there you go. You have a nice looking marbled coaster. Now, I wanted to show you another example of another technique that I used when I was doing my marbled coaster project. And I chose 2 different colors this time. I chose blue and yellow because you guys know in my house it's a lot of blue, gold, and silver. Look at that. And see, I'm not even doing this in any design or whatever. I'm just coloring on my tile. All right, here comes some more alcohol. I'm going to drop some of that alcohol from my dropper all over my towel. And this time I decided I was going to kind of maneuver it around a little bit to kind of give more of a marbled effect. And you see that the colors are kind of running together. And you do this until you get the desired look that you want, right? Okay, and look how they're blending so well together. It already looks nice, y'all. Okay, put that towel back on your foil and light that sucker. Now, I do have this a little close to this alcohol, so don't y'all do like I did. Push that alcohol off to the side, okay? Let that burn, and then look at the beautiful design that comes after this burns. Oh yeah, you have another nice looking marbled towel coaster. You can't tell me that this is not a super easy project. Now, what I like to do to kind of make my coaster stand out is I like to outline the edge of my tile with one of the colors I've used in my design. So I thought blue would really make this pop. And so I'm outlining the edges. Now, sometimes I'll just outline the edge and I won't color the sides of it, but I decided I wanted to color the sides of this particular tile just to give it a little bit more oomph. And finally, to go ahead and make sure that we seal those colors in, you guys see all of these tiles I've been making. You want to use either the Mod Podge, and you know we use this with our mug, or you can get some glossy clear finish, and I like to use this glossy clear finish here. Now the glossy clear finish, that spray needs to be done outside because you know it is kind of toxic. Now here all you have to do is go ahead and put a layer of Mod Podge on top of that towel, and you know we like to use Mod Podge because it is going to dry clear, and this will protect our design just in case somebody puts a hot glass on our coaster or anything like that. This is going to help protect that design and keep it safe. Now, another thing that you can do, which is what a lot of people will do, they'll take some felt and put on the bottom so that it's not very hard and scrubs the surface, or you can find those little felt dots and put those in the four corners, and voila, this is what you get, y'all. A very beautiful marbled tiled coaster that you made from an 8-cent towel and markers and alcohol. Okay, did you all just love that DIY gift idea? And it is super easy. You cannot get any easier than that, and it makes a very beautiful gift. Look, I want to know, are you trying any of these gifts? I want to know. I would love to even see pictures. Comment below if you are going to try one of these projects. This is the easiest and probably one of the cheaper ones that you can try. As always, thank you for tuning in to My 40 Plus Life. I am having a blast recording a lot of these videos for you. Just don't forget to make sure that you hit that like button, make a comment, and subscribe to the channel. You definitely want to tune in for the next video because I am going to share with you a very cute hot chocolate bomb that you can give as a Christmas gift, okay? Until then, this is Sean Vaughn, and you have been tuned in to My 40 Plus Life.